Hi, I'm Aaron Dad with Orchard Services, and today I'm going to discuss with you the Nandina. It's a dwarf variety Nandina, evergreen, so meaning that it's going to keep its foliage year-round. And in fact, if you notice here, there's a lot of different colors of leaves on this Nandina. That's kind of the excitement of this plant here. It's going to add a lot of different colors and dimension throughout it with the different leaves. So these are the newer growth leaves that add the color. And then during the winter months, when if you get a really hard, if it gets really cold or even a freeze, the foliage can even turn red. So it just changes with the environment. So it makes it exciting. There's always something kind of different going on. It doesn't flower. There's no insects or diseases to really be worried about. You just kind of keep a consistent moisture on it, not too dry, not too wet. So it fits in, blends in really well with any part of your landscape. It just adds that little bit of color and dimension. I have done zero to this plant since I planted it. I haven't pruned it. I haven't had to do anything extra to it. We just feed it when we feed the rest of the landscape. But it's just so low maintenance, and it just adds that neat little border texture color around here. And if you see, all these guys are almost the same size, and I haven't pruned them this way. This is just the way they are. So they're just a great little additive for your landscape, something fun, just something a little bit different. And there's a lot of other varieties out there as well too. If you want more red color, if you want something, just look at all the different varieties. There's the Harbor Dwarf, Heavenly Bamboo. There's a lot of different varieties out there of Nandinas. They're just something kind of exciting. The biggest thing you got to watch out for is just watch the moisture in your soil. So get a good moisture meter. If it's too wet, dial down your sprinkler and they should be great. So do something exciting in your landscape today. Thank you.